The Stone Blazer and the Pro Series Stone Blazer Ultimate Duty stone restoration machines are designed to handle the rugged needs of the commercial stone floor maintenance market with elite performance and convenience in mind. Both units feature a steel welded frame and a completely enclosed fan-cooled 1.5 horsepower motor resistant to dust and moisture penetration. Both come with a 4-gallon solution tank, a Nat Stone pad driver, and two 25-pound U-weights. The Pro Series features an extra-wide 18-inch handle and ergonomically designed top-lock adjustment system. Ideal for cleaning, crystallization, wet polishing, or diamond grinding,